I wish I was in Carrickfergus, only for nights in Ballygrand. I would swim over the deepest ocean, for my love to find. But the sea is wide, and I cannot swim over, and neither have I the wings to fly. If I could, and my own relation have all passed on now, like the melting snow. But I'll spend my days in endless roaming. Soft is the grass, my bed is free. Ah, but to be back in Carrickfergus on that long road down to the sea. And in Kilkenny it is reported there are marble stones there as black as ink, with gold and silver I would support her, but I'll sing no more now till I get a drink. For I'm drunk today and I'm seldom sober, a handsome rover from town to town. Ah, but I'm sick now, my days are numbered. So come, all you young men, and lay me down. For I'm drunk today and I'm seldom sober, a handsome rover from town to town. Ah, but to be back in Carrickfergus on that long road down to the sea.